Hello everyone, it's Shubham Sonvatkar from Department of Electrical and Electronics, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today we are going to learn the lecture 8, which is on Unit 1 Hydroelectric and Thermal Power Plant. In this lecture we are going to compare the hydro power plant with thermal power plant. Okay, so in lecture number 12, I have compared all three power plants. Okay, that is, it is there in unit 2. The lecture number 12 is there, and you can refer unit 2. In that lecture number 12 is there. In that lecture number 12, all three plants I have compared, means hydro power plant, thermal power plant and nuclear power plant. All these plants I have compared. You can refer that video. Still in this video you can read this comparison. It is between thermal and hydro power plant. These are few points you can read, but a detailed comparison is there in the unit 2. Okay, because at a time, see, you have studied nuclear plant, then you have studied what? Thermal plant, you have studied hydroelectric plant. Okay, and unit 2 you are going to study nuclear power plant also. So I planned to compare all these plants in one slide so that you will get a clear idea about the plant. Still you can refer these points for the comparison between hydroelectric and thermal power plant. Okay, you can read these points, and you must refer lecture number 12. In that I have compared all three plants, thermal, hydro as well as nuclear plant also I have compared there. Nuclear power plant also I have compared. Okay. And you know this plant, we are using thermal power plant. What you have to remember, the main comparison, main points that are the fuel. Okay. In hydro, you are not using any fuel. The water is sufficient to generate the electricity. But in thermal, you are using fuel. Okay. So, fuel cost is more here in thermal, but in hydro, there is no fuel cost. Okay. In thermal, the chemical energy of fossil fuel or the energy of coal is converted into electricity, but in hydro power plant, the water is converted. The energy of water is converted into electricity. Okay, efficiency wise the hydro power plant has more efficiency. Okay, and in this burning on fossil fuel or burning of coal will cause pollution. Means thermal power plant will cause pollution, but hydro power plant is eco-friendly, it is pollution free. Okay, capital cost, if you compare, I have not mentioned in this point, but I will explain you. The capital cost is more in hydro power plant because you have to construct dam. That construction will take more time and it is costly. So capital cost of hydro power plant is more, but the capital cost of thermal power plant is less. Then the thermal power plant, okay, running cost is more because continuously you are burning the coal, you are burning the fuel to generate electricity, to generate heat. So the running cost of thermal power plant is more, but the running cost of hydro power plant is almost zero. Then it is easier to build where fossil fuel are available. Means the thermal power plant is constructed where coal is available, and the hydro power plant is constructed where the water is available in sufficient quantity. Okay, this is about the comparison. You refer lecture 12 once again, and you will find there the clear comparison. Once again I have compared. In this lecture also I have compared both the plant clearly, and in lecture number 12 I have compared all three plants, thermal plant, hydro plant as well as nuclear power plant. Okay, in that lecture number 12. So I will stop here. Thanks for watching my video.